Simple ways to earn money. Today we'll be discussing the importance of having multiple sources of income and ways for us to earn. This is the Learning Academy. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Why is it important to have multiple sources of income? Well, it ensures that your job security is not tied to a single source. It ensures that you are not dependent on one source. So, as the economy changes and as your revenue streams change, ensure that you diversify and let's earn some money. Well, you can explore various opportunities. There are investment options. There's also opportunities that present themselves online. So do your research to see how you can use the various online platforms to make some money. You can go the traditional route, start an at-home business, or you can venture into babysitting. The option also exists to walk a dog or take care of someone's pet. While you explore these options, it is very important for you to exercise caution and do a proper assessment to see the goals and plans that you will have for your new venture. So, online options include freelancing, right? Offer your services on various internet platforms, use their websites, browse their listing, and basically you may come up with a few options with how you can earn. Or there may be a myriad of options. You can start your own website, or you may also create website for other persons. You can manage their websites, or you can also manage their social media platform. Yes, that is big business. You can also create ads for these persons and also their businesses. Most business persons are too busy to manage their websites or to create ads or even to manage their own social media page. You can sell items on eBay or Amazon. Yes, that is a very important option. Translation is your passion? Well, explore the opportunities of these foreign language skill sets that you have. We live in a globalized world, and it is very time consuming for persons to actually translate various languages to English or other languages. So, a professional translator is always necessary. If you have a passion for teaching, but you may not have the patience for the classroom, you may choose a simpler option. Go online and provide online tutoring services to students of various age groups. Or you may also explore the option of creating a classroom where you can invite students to come and make payments and where you teach them extra lessons or you teach them evening classes. Use of technology skills. Most technology professionals are consultants. They work from home. Technology professionals can also offer their services online. They can do things remotely. Opportunities and the options are many for those persons who are technology oriented. So if you are tech savvy and you have the necessary skill sets to build websites, develop websites, maintain databases, or do web designing, or whatever technologically related skill sets that you have, consider offering those services online or starting a business to offer those services to the populace. If you like to write and if you just have this burning passion to write, consider writing for Kindle ebooks or consider writing for any other online platform that is geared towards writing. You can also write for Wattpad, or you can go ahead and develop content and publish it on your own channel or your own blog. Some people may think that blogging is just an hobby or just a passion, but you can make money from blogging. So start your blog today. If you love entertainment or if you have content to offer, go and explore the various platforms, the various video sharing platforms like YouTube and Facebook. The opportunities are endless here. You can use your skill sets. You can show people what you can do. You can share your thoughts and your opinions. And guess what? You can earn money for all that you do. So start today. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. It was a pleasure being here. Go explore the options to make money and make some more money. Keep making money because this will ensure that you are financially secure. And we at the Learning Academy want you to remain financially secure. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.